up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. I apologize for not uploading for the past week. Okay, it's been a lot going on. I promise you guys I will be back in January with better things, you feel me? So I'm just working on some stuff right now. Just trust me, okay? Trust me. I got a surprise for y'all. Just stay tuned. But I am recording today's video because I am getting a taper. I'm not cutting down the wolf just yet. I'm still going wolf till January 8th. Then I'm going to be cutting down the wolf. But today I wanted to record for y'all because y'all, y'all been going with me throughout this whole process, and it's been about 11 weeks with this wolf session. I think next week's gonna make it 12 and I'm gonna cut down the wolf. I think I'm either at 11 weeks or 12 weeks, something like that. But I lost track. I'm just gonna go get the cut. I'm not going to show you guys the process. I'm just gonna show you guys the aftermath, all right? I'm just doing the introduction right now. Then I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath of how my waves look like with a fresh taper and stuff like that. It looks a lot better when you have a taper because this side right here don't have waves and the back don't have waves. So when you're seeing waves and then you get to the side and it's just like nappy, it makes everything looks crazy. So when you get a fresh taper, fresh shape up, everything looks a lot crisp and you can see the waves a lot better. And of course, the cut is going to be by the one and only Clutch at the Barber. If you guys are not already following him on Instagram, go do that right now. I'm gonna have that link in my description, all right? So before we go get this cut, I'm going to get breakfast, eat, and then we're gonna go get this cut. Stay tuned.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, so for my breakfast, I got a banana, 2-wheat toast, just egg whites. I don't know if y'all can see, just egg whites. And I'm just gonna eat that for breakfast. And then, yeah, and then go to the barbershop. Y'all not gonna watch me eat, so I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, y'all, I just got done eating. It is currently 11:20. My appointment is at 12. I like to be there like 15-20 minutes earlier, you feel me? Just so I don't make it late to my appointment. I just like to be there early. But yeah, we about to go to the barbershop right now. Clutcher, here I come. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I just got here and it took me about 6-7 minutes to find parking. I had to go up the street, down the street, make a U-turn, try to avoid cops, you know, not to get no tickets and junk, because you know can't do no U-turns and junk, so you get a ticket. But yeah, I finally got parking. It is 11:44. I'm gonna go inside at like 11:50 or 55. I'm gonna let Clutcher know I'm outside. He's gonna buzz me in and we're gonna get this cut. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not gonna show you guys the process, so I'm gonna just show you the outcome. And yeah, y'all stay tuned and let's go get this cut, man.
Guys, so I have the biggest giveaway. It's gonna be the newest Xbox. It's a digital version. I'm giving it away at 5,000 on Instagram, and my Instagram is Clutch the Barber. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, it's all yours, so check it out. The easiest giveaway ever. So
y'all heard that, man. I'm gonna have his link to his Instagram down in my description, also to his YouTube. So y'all do what y'all gotta do, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Just finished with the cut. I'm gonna show you guys the unrag when I get home. Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. It's a little short. I doubt this video gonna be like 10 minutes long because I don't even think I got that many clips. But y'all, if y'all want to get this 2/6 King Wavy do-rag, link is down in my description. Don't forget to use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off, man. And y'all do me a favor and go follow my boy Clutch at the Barber on Instagram. He's giving away an Xbox, I think Series X or S, one of those, the newest one out. He's giving that away at 5K. And also once he reaches 1,000 subscribers on his YouTube. I have all his links down in my description. And of course, if you're in the New Jersey area, book your boy Clutcher the Barber, man. But yeah, man, I only uploaded this video so I could keep you guys updated on this weight journey that I'm going through. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 200K. I don't know why I keep doing that, but road to 200K. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm out of here. Peace.